Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Coder Journey. This is Mortaza. This is the next video of our SQL tutorial. I really suggest that you guys watch the previous videos of this series. If that's not the case, please pause this video here and go and watch the videos about joins, because this video is the last video where we are going to talk about joins, self joins, right? And over the next few ones, we're gonna put the topic of joins aside, and we're gonna dive deep into other topics. So in order to better understand the self join, which is the topic of this video, you need to understand the other types of joins as well. And I think this will help you to better appreciate self joins. Now, self join, right, as the name suggests, helps us to join a table with itself, right? Now, without explaining how to do it, I'm going to just give you a very simple example so that you guys can see for yourself, can see in action how to do it. In the customers table, we have the ID of a customer, the name of a customer, the contact name, and so on. Let me write a query for this. I'm going to say select a dot, let's say, customer, let me do this, customer name as customer name 1, and also b dot customer name as customer name 2, right? So I am getting the customer name from two tables, which I am going to specify the alias for, right? And then I can say a dot country or city as well. Let's say country. And then I can specify from customers A and customers B. So basically, as you can see, I am aliasing the table customers twice. Once I am putting the letter A as the alias, and this will help us resolve the customer name from the first field. And then I am aliasing it one more time with the letter B for this customer name, right? And then I am going to put a where clause. I'm going to go and say where a dot customer ID is not equal to b dot customer ID. And I can then go and say, for example, and a dot country equals b dot country. And then that's it. Let me run and see what we get. So let's see. Let me close this. Remember, we are saying that we want the customers whose customer ID is not the same, but whose country is the same. And we are going to get all of the customers, right? All of the names of the customers from the customers table. So basically, for each customer, by the way, see how many rows we get? 580 rows. 580 rows. How many rows do we have here? 92 rows. So even though only 92 rows exist in the customers table, this join gives us back here, right? Well, let me close this. 92 rows, but this will give us 580 rows. What is happening here is that every single customer is joined with every other customer where their countries are the same. So the first one, this record, let me show you. Let me close this. This Alfred's something, right? So we've got 10 records for Alfred's. Why? Because Alfred's is joined with all of the other customers who are from Germany. But he is not joined with itself. Why? Because we have specified that the customer ID shouldn't be the same. Let me close this. Let me get rid of this, right? And let me run. For Alfred's, this time we get 11 rows. Why? Because Alfred's has been joined with itself as well. So remember, here, when we are saying that customer ID shouldn't be, the same, we are getting Alfred's 10 times because Alfred's is joined with every other customer from Germany. And then the same thing happens for the next person from Mexico. So the next one is Anna something. She is joined with every other customer if they are from the same country, Mexico, and they are not the same customer. And that is the reason why we get 580 rows in the results set, even though we have only 92 records in the customers table. This is the way that the records from a table are joined with themselves. And it has many usages. I'm not going to go over them in this video, probably in another video, but just know that this is the way to do the self-join. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the very end. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with a friend, and I hope to see you in the next one.